Happy Sunday to everybody. My name is Comrade Paul Ebuegbe, National President, Edo Community, Germany. Today I want to address some issue that is not only bothering me, but also bothering our people, both home and abroad. And this particular issue concerns the appalling, downgrading, indecent exposure videos being posted on social media, especially Facebook and WhatsApp, by our women. That means women from Edo State, and most especially Edo women. What I want to talk about here is that these videos are very appalling and is downgrading and is kind of bringing our reputation down as Edo people. I want to appeal at this junction, through this medium, to all these women that allow themselves to be recorded naked, and this kind of video to be posted in social media, to desist immediately from this attitude. And I'm still going to address this. Once I finish with the English, I will also speak my dialect, which is the Edo language, for those that cannot understand this English properly, to also dilute this message in our dialect. We have children. Children are growing up, both home and abroad. And we're supposed to inculcate into them discipline. Teach them the right thing. As the Bible said, that bring up children in the right way, the way that pleases God, so that when they grow up, they will not depart from it. If a matured woman should, allow herself to be videoed, either by other person or by herself, open her legs, removing her bra, to video herself, put them in these social media, WhatsApp and whatever, and Facebook and other, Instagram and whatever. They must know that now the children are up to date. They have phones, they have tablets, they have other social devices that they can tap immediately, and they will be in internet and get whatever nonsense that is being posted. So we don't want these kind of bad videos, these indecent videos. We don't want them to be appearing on social media anymore. You see, in this life, there are a lot of businesses, there are a lot of trade. Whatever job you do, whatever business you do, whatever trade you are engaging, do it in your room, do it in your house. Do it to yourselves. It's not a thing that you will not come and be discussing, videoing it, and then post it on social media. There are some instances that also bother we in Germany here. Some women were fighting in train station, talking about contribution money, which Benin people know as Osusu. They were fighting. And most of these people that were fighting are single mothers. So, I don't care where you get the money. It could be from government. It could be from anywhere. But coming to be fighting in train station and this thing being recorded and posted on social media is not the right thing. This country is a country of law. Whatever you do today, the government may pay the deaf ear and a blind eyes, but wait till 10 years to come. they can come after you. And then you will now begin to shout that it is the witches and wizards in your family, in your street, among maybe your friends or whatever that are after you. They are not. They are not. You are your own problem. Now, there are also those that fight in street, maybe, I don't know, Italy, Spain, or whatever, even here in Germany, or you fighting two women, fighting because of one man. And the man you are fighting for, the man is not there with you people. Maybe at that time you people are fighting, the man could be with another woman. Why should mature people be fighting because of one man? If the man is responsible enough, the man is supposed to stick with one girlfriend or one woman. So if this man begin to run around, jumping from one woman to the other, it is you women that are supposed to come together, put it together to say, oh, that man is a fool. He want to make a fool of us. You people supposed to make a fool of that man instead of you people fighting yourselves, disgracing yourselves, and dragging the name of the Edo people to the mud. So I want to particularly say today that most of these disturbing issues have to stop. You see, exposing yourselves, videoing it, posting it on Facebook, WhatsApp, and even allowing people, some even give video, allow other people to video them. Then send it, post it on social media, which is very disturbing. I will appeal that all this kind of indecent attitude have to stop. I will also get in touch with the branch president all over Germany. I know they have been doing their best. They have been doing their work, and I thank them for all the good job they have been doing. But I will also employ them to do more, to help focus on their domain and try to see this, fish out this kind of people that are bringing bad names to the Edo people, not only in Germany, but all over the world, so that we can caution them and bring them to book. This year is almost ending now. Not much to be done, but at the beginning of next year, I will organize a forum of the Edo people, all that come from all the indigents of Edo State in Germany. There will be a forum for the Edo Forum in Germany here, where we will talk about this problem again and find out a way that these problems could be solved. Let me also use my dialect to address this issue. Iwie donero wa iwie donerisi. Me obi wa no otin wa me Paul, Comrade Paul Eboegbe, National President Edo Community Germany. E no ya me do gun abedene na. O erunde mi no ye no susu ma o. Ewe imokpa. Ke ma ya ni ibere Germany. Abu ni nwa ya ni ibere ma swim no susu ma swim no mmahu. No ye no soli ma wegbe unyime. Ni vi maso ihwe so nyi. Ni ana wakpa awa banwa. Ya do video adwa amuye social media. especially a Facebook, a WhatsApp. Ihe dwa amweyo na laho unyime na mani ibi edo gwalo unyime no magba no ibi edo we mi no magba na laho abi ku oni ya fe gbaga ige ma gi do amunu wa ba no wa to bu wa ebi amunu egbuwa ini ga kan iri nu wa na fa fe gbuwa eso ibe pa yan wa agbin na bi dun run do pe opa o pe anu wa run da egbin na ereba egbo kwero do kwo be nu wa ni e go do amona do afio we fio na ekifio na ki dolobe kona nu wa ya viun kugbe nu wa to bu wa nenu pe ani wu wa pe le ko nu wa gbe obo kewu nege idu ni e meke na be egbe afie ki do alelikwe inu kono kun vi okugbe ge ma wa to bu wa do agbegu wa gbina ge ma so aya agbina train station ri omo susu eriona ani no bubu kwa enwina ugmeso igo mo na ari enu wa wa ya ze no susu wa gbina ni wa do ameye video wa do ameye nana ede ne police ya radio wa na migo ni umina wa do aka ga zeno aze no be di akeni ho ni ta o ewe ibi ado ya fe no dan me he video na wa dan me ho awe aya amugo yoku hu weta mo wa neni fo wa dan me ho de ken wa amugo yibo yi awo ihwe oi e travigator no ro ewe ni oni enwe dode by jin no rototo akara ni aya amugo yino pe ana digwe iboloa aze yimi adogwo ma ajanu wa o no we video we mu eyi ran we mu eyiri odukun noro oni arika awe bliozia neboti ebra na ya adenwe yi wa ye bliozia ni enwe na we na ari yuwa wa ize de iri eyuwe gwawado temu wa mu eye gwawado temu wa mu eyodukun okeke ga ire wana emioku apa no ri wa yiwa egbo oku ani mati ega no ku ani ido ya dekun video maybe ope enu wa ni awe mi ni odun ona iku wa fo awun yen ririe wa like Facebook wa like WhatsApp wa do awe e break my heart but okun heart e heart to one wa to bu wa break wa gagia runde video no wa na banu ado ya amuye nana wa ka to bu wa gagia ni telo no rugbe kunze yolode ikwete se ni hati mai kugbe wa iwe wa wo pe o break wa iwe ni Jonathan mo wa nu wa to bu wa dole dagbon wa yi wa ga idu a mo zanya wi edo omo no ba na edo atope uku apolopolo yen go oba di awa yen go oba ewa ogidi grand the second nupo giver ọba na abege onyeme asoma ọba ga na ga hemu ehi oha megi gboma wa edori ya wo yobo ari ya bible ogion ba fu ede ogion zo la betu i mamudi ani maya gwedo lebdoni yi awu wa ni samagwana no ya ma be photo ni makia na mwe video no makia na ya be Facebook we WhatsApp wa gi stop maga be dwedo foron ne early next year be Germany ma be diedo ma be mueme na segwa no wala ho no banu awe no banu awu gai no we video na wetin here video we no video na video agwa egwa na ido ari lajan gwa ga do amoza anya ma atewe na Benin people no pa na Benin wa jare a ege na abu agbon to agbon mi hi anora agbon na ke aro okwu onwina o pe anwina o adweki oke aro amekita na erisan no yoge fununu aka orisan kemi nu wa gi aru wa egbegbe wa ga edu amoye video onu na egbe ni do tamu wa omo no ba atokpe ise